Well, everyone, you might be wondering how you can go through and fix your Samsung phone if for some reason your Samsung phone is stuck on the setup panel. Now, this is a very easy thing to do, and there's a couple of different ways to do this. Number one, the easiest way of kind of going about fixing this is to try restarting your device. So go through and try restarting your device. Hold down that power button on the side or both buttons on the side like this, and you want to restart your phone. So tap onto that restart button and you want to go ahead and see if that ends up fixing the problem, which for a lot of people that will probably end up doing it. Now sometimes during that initial setup, you might actually have to go through and skip the Wi-Fi portion when you're setting up your phone. So when you're setting it up, when you connect to Wi-Fi, it'll try doing all these random updates and like random tiny things like that. Most of the time, you probably don't want to deal with those things. So in this case, what you can do is you can just skip those particular things, skip the Wi-Fi, all those things, and then go through later on and try setting it up later. That's another really easy thing I'd recommend kind of doing here too. Now, if that doesn't end up doing it, you can also try basically removing your SIM card and reinserting your SIM card later on. If you have a physical SIM card tray, you could try doing that instead of putting your SIM card in right at that moment. Try just putting in your standard, just putting in your standard information without the SIM card, and you want to see if that ends up fixing it. If that still doesn't work, try restarting it one more time or try plugging it into your computer and seeing if that ends up kind of fixing it. So that basically covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.